Imagine a world where Bird and Bird's junior lawyers and trainees alike could connect. A forum to network, to inquire about business customs and traditions in a far-off place. An environment where useful expertise and hot topics can be shared, where social relationships are developed, and the many experiences of our firm celebrated. Although we are all different offices, different ways of working, languages, skills, interests, tastes, quirks, different journeys, we remain connected, one firm.
I am Bird and Bird.
Minä olen Bird and Bird.
Ik ben Bird and Bird.
I am Bird and Bird.
I am Bird and Bird.
Jag är Bird and Bird.
I am Bird and Bird.
Ik ben Bird and Bird.
I am Bird and Bird.
We are Bird and Bird.